Many owners of modern Nissan and Infiniti vehicles will eventually face a sudden and highly catastrophic engine coolant leak issue. The original factory plastic heater hose connector always becomes extremely brittle over time because of extreme engine heat cycling events. When this cheap plastic component inevitably snaps apart while you are driving, your engine loses all vital coolant almost immediately. A massive loss of coolant causes severe engine overheating that can instantly warp your aluminum cylinder heads beyond any repair. Finding this hidden plastic connector on the passenger side near the firewall requires a good flashlight and basic inspection skills. You must carefully remove the engine air intake tube to gain proper access to this fragile piece of heating equipment. Using a dedicated hose clamp tool makes sliding those original tension bands down the rubber hoses incredibly fast and easy. Pulling the old plastic connector out usually results in the brittle material breaking off directly inside the rubber heater hose. You must use a specialized pick tool to carefully scrape every tiny broken plastic fragment from the inner hose walls. Replacing the terrible factory plastic coupler with an upgraded solid aluminum bleeder port permanently solves this major overheating hazard completely. Refilling the entire system requires a large spill-proof funnel kit to accurately bleed all trapped air pockets without messes. Performing this incredibly inexpensive driveway upgrade effectively protects your valuable vehicle from sudden catastrophic engine failure and massive repair bills.